Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to mathematics, and we are solving A-level CI's paper Pure Maths 1, paper code 9709, variant 12, February March 2026, and we are doing question number 2. Question says the diagram shows the triangle ABC with this dimension AB to be 12 centimeter, this AC 9 centimeter, and this angle BAC or CAB is 0.8 radians. An arc with radius A, this arc they are talking about, is having radius 9 centimeter and inside the triangle, and the shaded region we have is bounded by this arc length, this line segment BC, and this part of line AB. We need to find the perimeter of the shaded region. So perimeter actually means the boundary of something, so boundary of this shaded region. So we need to add up these three dimensions, this BC, this arc length, and this, let's call this point to be D. So we need to add up all these. So let's write out first perimeter. Perimeter will be equals to length BC plus arc length CD plus DB. If you could see, this hole is 12 centimeter, and out of this 12, this much is 9. So we can find out dB by just subtracting 12 minus 9, because this is the radius of the same arc, the same circle. So this also must be 9. So 12 minus 9 is 3. So this part dB is 3 centimeter. So this is 3. Arc length we need to find, BC length we need to find. So arc length, let's start with the arc length. We know in radians the arc length formula is S equals to R theta. R is 9 and theta is 0.8 radians. So 9 times 0.8 would be 7.2. Second is length BC. We have a triangle ABC in which we know two sides and one angle. So you can use, I guess, so for sine rule, if you use, you will be able to find angle B, because two sides and two angles. But if you want BC side, the cosine law is the best way. So we are using cosine law for that. So BC square will be equals to, let's call it BC square or A square. A opposite to A would be small a. So A square will be equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos of A. So B square is 9 square, 12 square, so what it gives us, 74.5113, but this is A square. Then if we square root it, A will be equals to 8.6319, but we need, okay, find. This is just A, that is actually BC length. So let's substitute it back, these values above. So we get 8.6319 plus 7.2 plus 3. So that gives you total 18.8319. But they are asking for answer up to 3 significant figures, so just round it off. (18.8), 3 significant figures. Okay, now let's move on to part B. Part B says find the area of the shaded region, giving your answer to 3 significant figures. Area of the shaded region we can find out by finding the area of triangle and subtracting the area of sector. So area of shaded region is so area of triangle, we can use sine law because we have 2 sides and the included angle. So doing it separately, ABC is half AB sine C. So half, 2 sides are 9 and 12. And sine of 0.8, and I'll calculate it at the end. And area of sector would be half r square theta and theta is 0.8. So let's calculate these both. 38.7372, 32.4. So substituting these values back, 38.7372 minus area of sector 32.4 gives you 6.3372 up to 3 significant figures, so it becomes 6.34. So this is your required answer. This is your perimeter and this is your area. So that's all about question number 2. We just had to find the perimeter and area using arc length formula, sine cosine law, and area of sector formula. So that's all about question number 2.